Hi friends, this is 5 Minutes to YouTube channel. Here is Samsung Galaxy Tab A7 Lite. In this video, you will learn how you can stop vibration when ringing calls in your tablet Samsung Galaxy Tab A7 Lite. First of all, go to this call button and click on these three vertical dots. Click on settings here and click on call alerts and ringtone, and here you go to turn off this button vibrate when ringing while ringing. Okay, actually when ringing you will experience vibration. See here, I will show it first. I receive a call now, and yes, when receiving call along with this ringtone I feel some vibration in my tablet. Okay, to stop this, what you have to do is just turn off this button, vibrate while ringing. Now you will not receive any vibration when ringing calls. See here, I will show the demo again. I receive a call and call is attended. Sorry, call is received and I did not attended. It's ringing still, but vibration not occurs. Okay, so in this way you can easily turn off vibration while ringing calls in your tablet Samsung Galaxy Tab A7 Lite. That's all friends, thanks for watching, bye.